Good afternoon, thrill seekers, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are over at Kent Power Sports, Yamaha of San Antonio. So let's take a look at their collection and let's continue on with our new bike shopping for 2026. So today, let's see what we got over here. Let's start off, and we got a Suzuki GSX GT in black. Got the bags on it, okay. Looks like a nice commuter bike. Okay, what we got on this thing? GSXS. Okay, take a look at this. Ooh, look at the size of that LCD screen, y'all. That thing is huge. Okay. Starting off nice. This is what I like to see. Okay, Brembo brakes. I don't know why my tongue always gets chewed up with that word, Brembo. Okay, let's move on. So we also got a pair of Hayabusas up front. Yeah. Nice blue and white, of course. Look at that big old don't sit on the Busa. All right. Is this the brand new Busa? Is this the 2026 Busa? Whew. Okay. Whole lot of bike. This for the big boys. Eee. Yes, sir. Okay. Got the V-Strom 800. And this green. Okay. Another nice little commuter bike. Get around on the weekend bike. You ain't gonna be carving up no canyons on this bike, but you know, it's nice to ride around, get you to work, maybe throw some bags on it, go pick up some groceries. Much like that. Yeah. You know, so they got the bags on the 8S, you know, day tripping to work, you know. These are some pretty small bags, so you ain't gonna fit a whole lot up in here. Maybe a tablet, a laptop. So most definitely like a work commuter, not like, you know, a grocery getter on this one. Priced at $14,190. This is the 24 GSX 1000. Okay. 2024, and okay, and yeah, this is the 2026. Man, that blue is nasty. Ooh, that white trim, haha. Yeah, okay. And the V-Strom, 7.5 right now, okay, on the 2024. Yeah, like I said, you know, throw some bags on here, man. Most definitely good little grocery getter. Okay. Got the DRZ 400. Base price $7,900. Okay. See a lot of Suzukis out the jump. Another DRZ 400 here. This one's a 2025 as well. In the yellow, the white. Okay. Got the Yamaha, here we go. The Tenere 700. Is that right, Tenere? Another Suzuki DRZ 400, okay. Coming down to some more street bikes. Man, that DRZ looks nice. Might have to take another look at that. Here we go, okay. For y'all that like that more retro cafe classic look for the Yamaha 2024. 7.8 on sale right now. Base price of 889. You might as well just say 8.9. Oh, that's not a bad little get around tie on bike though. Okay, okay. What else we got over here? Like I said, the DRZ. Forest. They got the got the dual sport tires on here. Get you a little bit of street action, a little bit of off-road action. Okay. Man, this is a tall bike right here. This Yamaha 7. Yeah, okay, okay. Coming back over here to the DRZ. Oh yeah. Man, that's a nice little supermoto setup right here though, man. I'm gonna have to, what I say, 7.9 on the price of that? Yeah. Okay, okay. More street bikes, what else we got? Okay, we got the Busa. What we got here? Gixxer 750, 2026. Silver and black. Blue rims. Brembo brakes. Okay. They have not updated the dash much on this Gixxer 750. Okay, we got the Honda sitting next to it. Okay, okay. CBR, is this the CBR 600? Yeah, 600 RT. And it's a 2025 GSXR. Sitting next to a 9.4. 11.4, 13.9. Okay, so there you go, y'all. Y'all got the prices. We got another GSXR, GSXS, I'm sorry. Another GSX 8R sitting next to it in white. The orange looks really nice. Okay. Blue Yamaha 2026, the R3, beautiful beginner bike, man. Good price, really. Get y'all out on the street. 5.4, man. That's good price, good price. Brand new bike too, man. 2026. Ain't no need to go out looking for a used bike. Here go. 2026 Honda CBRs, 989. Let me pull out some. Another CBR sitting next to it. For whatever reason, they got Suzuki Hayabusa on the tag, but this is not. It is a CBR 600. Okay. Another CBR 600. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. That Honda CB 750. Okay. So as you see, we got both mirrors on this one, y'all. No damage. This is a good looking bike, okay. Man, the CB 750 is climbing higher up on the list. And that black, and what is sitting right next to it, okay. Got a good comparison side by side with the Yamaha MT-10, you know. So you see this MT-10 has it's a much bigger, wider tank. That's a nice seat on there. I mean, this thing is that big, huge. I mean, probably gonna put on a, I mean, it is a 1000 cc bike, so you know, you're gonna expect some size difference. You're gonna see a, you know, jump in weight as well, comparison. But once this thing get up and get the moving, you ain't gonna notice none of that. Base price right now, $14,900. Look at that, just about almost half the price. 2025, okay. The GSX 8S, y'all. Okay, another Suzuki. And that's at 9.2. I don't know, the 8S is not, you know, no slouch. But I think the CB 750 is still beating it out in torque and horsepower, just a smidge. I might have to go back and run them numbers and see, but yo. I mean, totally unique styling. I mean, these are all Street Fighter bikes. We got the Honda Rebel. Is this the 1100? I don't know if this is the 1100 or not. Probably not. Okay, come back down the line, okay. All right, we got the GSX 8T. Just a little bit different styling than the GSX 8S, same platform though. Same upright seating position, probably a little bit higher seat. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell. Looks like a little bit lower than the 8S, so we'll come back and look at it again. The MT-09 SP. You know, hearing nothing but good things about the MT-09, the SP, okay. 12.4. All right. Let's see what else we got on this side. Got some scooters. The Bolt, a couple of little cruisers over here. Okay. All right, nice to see. Ooh, the Boulevard. Man, that's a whole lot of motorcycle. Man, if you want to cruise, that. Talk about a clean cruiser right here. Look at them. Look at these lines, y'all. How can you not like these bikes? Oh, look at the blue. And this, man. Sade X got a nice color blue. Ooh. 1149. That's clean, y'all. Thrill Seekers. Do y'all like that blue? Do y'all like this blue Thrill Seekers? Let me know. Here we go. We got some more cruisers over here. Got a Harley. The Vulcan. All right. Another scooter. Yamaha scooter. Okay. The R1. Carbon fiber winglets. Yo. All right. It's Brembo. Again. Brembo brakes. Nice styling on the R1. I don't know, man. That might be too much bike for the street, though. For real. Just casual riding. I would love to have one in the garage, but man, this is a whole lot of bike, man. Like I said, I ain't trying to get no tickets, but I would love to take one out and ride it. But you know what? I might get the chance to do that, y'all. Keep following me There's a whole lot going on in March to see. We got MotoGP coming to COTA. If y'all don't know COTA, that's Circuit of the Americas in Austin, Texas. Coming up at the end of this month. Yamaha is going to be holding an event, a test ride event. So hopefully they will have an R1 out that we could test ride. So keep following along with the channel and you'll get to see some of that content. I believe they are also doing an event with Marc Marquez, a meet and greet. So if y'all would like to see some content with Marc Marquez, me going to the meet and greet with him, let me know. Okay. Got another, got a Honda 300, the CB300R. It's probably the perfect first bike for all you beginners. Can't beat a 300, okay. Let's see what we got back here. Okay, looks like we got a collection of some cruisers and a couple of, scooters. Honda got an ADV 160. Which Honda is this? Got the Honda Grom over here, brace price 369. Man, like I said, why pay that for the Honda Grom? You might as well go ahead and get that CB750, man. Just a little bit more. Here goes a 2026 Honda CMX 300. Okay. Another Honda Rebel. Another Rebel. Okay. Yeah, we got the Rebels, the Groms, a Nav. I think this is the first Nav y'all seen in person. 2,000 bucks, y'all. 2,000 bucks, man. Get on the street and get the riding. No excuses. The Africa Twin, another nice bike. Adventure bike. Okay, another Africa Twin. Some competition for the Africa Twin, the Honda Transalp. I don't know, which one's better, the Transalp or the Twin? I don't do too much in this world, but I'm about to look into it, get with some more people in that world, do some more riding, see if I could find somebody with one. Okay, thrill seekers. I heard we had some more bikes upstairs. Let's go take a look. Okay. Let's go take a look at the bikes we got upstairs. A couple of, Can-Ams, 3 wheels. Okay. I thought about a Can-Am once upon a time, but not anymore. Okay. All right, let's see what we got up here, y'all. As we take the trip upstairs, okay, we got a little section for the kids. Get the kiddos involved, get them riding, get them started early, okay. Okay, we got a Suzuki 650, another DRZ 4S up here, okay. Anything over here? Oh, let's go back here. Okay, for you dirt bike guys, we got a section back here. Okay, 125. What we got here? Another 125. Get y'all out here in the game, man. Look at this. What we got here? The YZ250. It's another bike you can convert to supermoto. I mean, at least out here in Texas, you know, we can put almost anything on the streets. Make it street legal, get it plated, and there you go. You out there. Okay. We got a 450 right here. If you want a little bit more power, this one, you can supermoto this one too, man. Quick swap of them tires. Throw a different sprocket on there. Get it a little bit tuned different. Yes, sir. Okay. Honda, I don't know why Yamaha just don't do that. Why don't they just sell one already in supermoto stock form for the streets? Come on, Yamaha, you could do it. Okay, take a look over here. Excuse me, fam. Okay, some scooters. What we got here? Ooh, the Dax. Base price $4,100. If you like it, I love it for you. I don't know if I can see myself on one of these. I mean, you know, they all serve a purpose, maybe for fun. You know, maybe if I was out in the Florida Keys or somewhere like that, out on an island on vacation, yeah, I could see myself maybe renting one of these for the day, you know, just to cruise around, you know, see the city, go get some lunch. These would be perfect for that. Those smaller ones, most definitely. Another Honda Grom. Okay. Okay. Back to the kids section. All right. And we got most definitely all our safety and apparel gear. So guys, I believe I see a couple of more items, but I think we've run out of our motorcycles. So Two Wheels for Thrills fans, like I said, you know, March, we got more things coming up. I'm most definitely gonna get over to that MotoGP event, get y'all some content over there, let y'all know how that goes. You know, test rides are coming up. I'm gonna find us some of these bikes, get out here on the street, let y'all know how, you know, they feel, how they ride, and get you affiliated with, you know, different bikes, as many as I can. So I hope y'all have had fun today. Once again, if you don't know, like I always say, thanks for visiting the channel. If you see somebody, tell somebody, spread the word about the channel, and keep watching. This has been Two Wheels for Thrills, and y'all have a great day.